XRP, along with the broader crypto market, is positioning itself to challenge the US dollar in ways we've never seen before. This could be one of the biggest wealth transfers in history, and if you're paying attention, you can take advantage of it. In this video, I'll explain what's happening, how I'm approaching it, and what you can learn from it. Let's start with the historic run we're witnessing. The S&P 500 has climbed more than 31% in just 5 months, the strongest rally since the 2020 pandemic recovery and the third biggest 5-month gain in the past 2 decades. It's only 1 percentage point behind the rebound after the 2008 financial crisis. Since early April, the S&P 500 has added about $16.6 trillion in value, more than the size of every other stock market in the world except the US. So why are investors flooding into stocks and crypto while the US dollar weakens? The answer is simple. The Federal Reserve's monetary policy is eroding confidence in the dollar. Major global currencies, from the yuan to the yen, are losing value rapidly. That leaves people with 2 choices. They can keep their money in the financial system, where inflation will cut its value in half over the next decade, or they can move it into assets with stronger long-term potential: stocks, crypto, gold, or silver. We're already seeing record amounts of money flowing into gold, driving it to all-time highs. The message is clear: confidence in the dollar is falling, and Fed policy is making the problem worse. Meanwhile, nearly a third of U.S. states are either in recession or close to it. According to Moody's, 33% of states are showing contracting economic activity, including New Jersey, Illinois, Virginia, Georgia, Washington, Iowa, and Oregon. On the other hand, California, Texas, and New York, together nearly a third of U.S. GDP, are still expanding. Industries like agriculture, manufacturing, and construction are struggling, while healthcare, technology, and real estate are growing. Think about it. Which industries are thriving the most? Technology and blockchain. Why? Because these are the solutions to today's problems. Blockchain offers alternatives to traditional finance. That's why so much money is moving into XRP, Bitcoin, and Solana. At the same time, AI is reducing labor costs, boosting productivity, and saving companies billions. In the next decade, government services themselves may be run by AI, cutting expenses dramatically and reshaping economies. Now, let's talk about volatility. Solana recently surpassed $240, and crypto volatility is rising sharply because $4.2 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options expired today. Expiry events like this increase buying and selling pressure. Some see it as bullish, others bearish. Current key levels: Bitcoin around $112, Ethereum near $4,400. This means we could see short-term dips: Ethereum near $4,400, Bitcoin around $212, XRP near $190. Short-term volatility doesn't change the long-term outlook. Personally, I see these dips as buying opportunities. My custom trading indicator, the Crusader signal, has been flashing sell signals recently, showing we're in overbought territory. Each time this pattern plays out, we see the sell signals before the next buy signal. That suggests we're close to hitting a support level around $294 for XRP. If you had been using my indicator over the past year, you'd have consistently bought low and sold high, significantly improving your entries and exits. Backtesting shows a 100% win rate across Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP using this strategy. So here's the bottom line: the dollar will continue to weaken, and people will keep moving into crypto, gold, and stocks to hedge against inflation. If you want real-time signals on the best buy and sell zones, you can subscribe to my indicator service and get alerts directly on your phone or computer. Don't miss these opportunities. Hit like, subscribe for more updates, and check the links below if you want access to the indicator. The dollar is falling, crypto is rising, and this shift is only getting started.